My life is pretty simple, pretty boring. Most days are alike than different, but I love it and I like it. You see, I want to squeeze life out of life. Because like I said before, we're not here forever. And though it can be easy to compare and to not be thankful, but it's so much easier to just open up your eyes and see that life is good and life can be beautiful every single day in the ordinary, in the simple things, in the good times, in the bad times, all the way around. With much love and consideration, your girl, Nadi. Good morning, you guys. What day is it today? Today's Thursday, October 27th. I am not a vlog girl, you guys. This is like my 10th time trying to Thursday, October 27th. I am about to go to the park with my dad and get some fresh air. It is now 11 o'clock and yeah, we're gonna go to the park and we're gonna go walking and get some miles in, so I'm excited about that. It's like 58 degrees. All right, so we're at Starbucks. We're gonna take a quick stop. A nice and exciting thing is, look what's in the box.
No, ma'am.
I got.
Uh-oh.
What the
This
heck
is something. Look, I'm hungry. Give it to me.
What is this?
Give it to me.
Uh-oh, oops, this is Jeremy's. Oops, I opened his mail. Oh, sorry, Jeremy. I didn't believe it. What? What?
Here.
And then double good I thought this was gonna be my costume. Why is
He doesn't mind. Give me one.
Okay, which one do you want? Do you want to try the
The
caramel?
hot one.
Or you want to try the queso fire?
The fire, yeah.
You cannot taste this stuff without asking permission.
Okay, I'm sorry.
If you want, you can go ahead. Then guess what?
Okay.
He's gonna be mad at you.
Are you going? Are you?
All right, so we're at the park and just enjoying some coffee. This is a beautiful, lovely day off. I'm really happy. Yeah, simple things like that. All right, how many miles this is gonna be? How many miles is this gonna be?
7 one way.
7 one way.
So when we come back, it's gonna be about 14 miles.
So do you think that at years old you can do 14 miles?
Hey, yeah. Why not?
Why not? Okay.
Why not?
All righty.
Yeah.
Me and you caught me. I'm sorry.
How are y'all tonight?
Good. How are you? You enjoying?
Doing well. Just trying to get some dinner.
Oh, you're gonna get yeah. Did you catch anything yet?
I got one over there.
Enjoying this walk today?
Very much so. Very much so. I like it. And this is
So.
yeah. This is beautiful. My goodness.
It is.
Look at it. Oh. Can you put it? Can you put it there? Ah.
So this is your fall. This is what you do. Okay, how are you feeling retired?
I like it. I like it. You know, I did a lot of work on these 27 days. I fixed so many stuff, and that's what I'm cleaning some stuff for my happiness, for my retirement. So I do a lot of stuff. Take off all carpets upstairs, downstairs. It's beautiful. I put a really a wood in my house completely. So that's one big dream was done.
What about the photo gallery wall? When are you gonna start on that?
That one is I'm working on it. I'm working on it.
you guys, so we made it to our final destination, which is the lake. Yeah, it's a beautiful day, and I just wanted to say, you know, okay, so I'm home now. It is 4:30. I just walked 8 miles and I feel amazing. I feel strong. So, yeah, that's pretty much the day. So we had yesterday. I think I talked to you guys today. So yeah, went to the park, went to Starbucks, and had a lovely day. And I'm just gonna make dinner, and that's it. That's basically the night. I'm watching The School for Evil and Good, and oh my god, I love it. I'm an hour in, and dang, it's like 2 hours long. So yeah, and it says something. What could evil never have, and good can't live without? True love. And I was like, wow, you know. And I really like it showed like the princesses are the school of good, and they look like they're like soft and weak because their princesses are good, but they're actually really powerful and can mess you up. So I felt like, okay. I see this. And like I feel like the same thing with me. Like I think I'm pretty good, but then people can see that goodness and think that you're weak, but then little do they know that you're just as powerful. Okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy this for a little bit, and then I'm gonna start making dinner. Okay, you guys, so it's time to make dinner. I know I showed you guys this butternut squash. It is so good, so I'm gonna make that. I wish, and then I love these mini, I don't know how to say this word, and I don't know how, farfalle? Ew, this one looks gross. Like and all that kind of stuff. So I've been working less now, and I feel so much more balanced, so much better. If I was working like all the days that I was working, I wouldn't be able to have this nice good day and have energy to cook, to keep this house in better order. It's not perfect yet. I mean, of course I don't want to be perfect. I mean, I am a perfectionist. I mean, yes, I'm a perfectionist. But it's better. So that is important to me. You know, when I got married and everything, like I really care about having peace, and I really want to have like a house that's together. I want things to be clean, and I want to have energy to cook. I want to have energy to work out, take care of my body, and energy for my husband. So, you know, I think that's important. Like, so yeah, that is important in my life. And I felt like I just couldn't balance everything together. Like it was hard for me to like balance my life out. Like, I don't know. I guess I'm not a strong black woman, you know. Can't do it all. So I guess I'm weak, whatever you want to call me. So yeah. It's 5 o'clock, so it's time to start getting ready for dinner. And oh my god, this is so good. And I might have some wine tonight. I don't know. Like, I don't really like drinking, but for fun, to be festive. Oh my god. Let's talk about being festive. I really don't drink beer like that, but like something about like, it just depends on mood. Like I saw some beer that has like some pumpkins on it, and I was like, oh, I gotta get that. So I got that. And then my husband saw that I was like, he knows I don't drink beer, but he saw that I got beer because it had a pumpkin on it. So basic. So look what Jeremy got, y'all. He really has problems. Can you read it? Fat bottom Jackie. Really, Jeremy? Fat bottom Jackie. Look at this. So anyways, I might try his beer tonight. He really got jokes. Okay, so here's the prosciutto. I put garlic. I chopped up the garlic, and then I poured olive oil, and then I put salt and pepper. And I didn't have fresh thyme, so I just put this. Good morning, you guys. So today's October 28th. I've been up for a while. Yesterday, you're gonna see in the video. We walked like 8 or 10 miles. It was a lot. So I fell asleep as soon as I got home. I couldn't even finish my movie. I finished it this morning. I've been up since I think 4 a.m. So it is now 8. My cat is not feeling good. I think she has some kind of infection. Her eyes are like looking weird, and then her mouth. So she has an appointment at 9:30, so I'm going to take her to that. You guys, I hope that there's nothing seriously wrong with her. She hasn't been eating that much. So yeah. All right, and my costume, my Halloween costume. This is gonna be like my first time dressing up in like a long time. Like I don't even know if I've ever really dressed up for Halloween. And my costume and my paint, it said it got delivered, but it's never been delivered. So I'm really sad about that. So I'm either gonna have to come up with another costume idea or go to the costume store and just change my whole Halloween thing, or I don't know. So yeah, so I might have to do that today. Or tomorrow morning. I'm trying to be a little bit hopeful and hope that it just magically appears today at the mailbox or in front of my house. So that way I don't have to do all that over again. So yeah, we'll see. What else is on the agenda today? And that's pretty much it. So yeah, I'll see you guys later, and I'll let you know what they say about hope if I feel comfortable sharing that information. All right. Hey you guys, I got some good news from the veterinary clinic. She says most likely maybe it's just something wrong with her teeth. So we'll set an appointment next week. We're gonna get some labs tonight. And we're getting the labs just to make sure nothing's wrong with her organs, but she thinks it's just her teeth. So they're gonna clean her teeth and then they're gonna wash her face. But today she's gonna get some ointment for her eyes and some medicine to help her stomach feel better, like anti-nausea medicine. And then next week we'll get the lab blood results back, and as long as they come back okay, she'll get her teeth cleaned next week and she should be okay. So yeah, hope it's gonna be okay. Hope it's gonna be okay. Hope you're gonna be okay. Girl, what are you doing? Oh, what are you doing? Okay, so I'm just gonna go to the park and at least walk 1 mile. I'm trying to walk every single day before it gets dark, so. And then we'll come back and make the pumpkin chocolate chip banana bread. Okay, you guys, so you know this, I'm busy. Okay, so I should have went in the morning, got this stuff, but I'm getting a couple of things for dinner tonight and like for breakfast tomorrow morning. And I think I might like try to drink a little wine tonight, so I got some stuff for that. All right, so I'm trying to find the salmon. I don't know where it is, and hopefully Jeremy will eat it. Yeah, I know. I'm being extra. I don't know about you guys, but this looks so good. I never really cook fish, so we're gonna cook the asparagus in that good sauce. I just took a bite of that asparagus. Don't even try it. Like, don't come for me. Like, this is so good. Yeah. Okay. Wipe that off right there. That's not good for presentation. Like I said, don't come for me. Don't do it. I always tell my husband every time we go out to a restaurant, I can cook this, I can make this, because I can. Okay. Okay. Yes, I can't wait to eat it. You guys are probably thinking, this girl is busy. Yes, I am. So there's a lot going on here. So here's the banana. I am going to make this, and I hope it turns out good. I decided to okay. I'm excited. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and bake this. It says to bake it for 55 to 65 minutes. So, see you then. I'm so excited. Okay, we're about to have a movie. Shoot. I'm gonna try Fat Bottom Jackie. Why do you keep getting Fat Bottom Jackie back? She must be good. You keep getting her again. Is she good, Jeremy? Okay, hold this. Can you hold this camera for me? And I am over 21 years old. Really, Jeremy? It tastes like normal beer. The cream one is better. She's not giving what she needs to give, Jeremy. The banana bread. Oh, let's see what it tastes like. Let me do like this. It's good.